it's me. So we're gonna be playing what's it called? Don't press the button. So let's do this. So you might be wondering why I haven't been posting. It's because I got a punishment that I can't do anything. So yeah, here I am. So let's play. Let me get a don't press the button. Button 6? There's a don't press the button 6? I'll just do don't press the button 3. So I want to put don't press the button. Don't press the button. Let's do don't press the button 3. Yeah, don't press the button 3. I'm just gonna put my volume down because I want to. So let's do this. Don't press the button 3. I don't know about this because I haven't not played don't press the button 3. But I played don't press the button 4 and number 2 and number 1. But not number 3. So this will be new for me. Oh my gosh. Nice. Okay. Click the button. What's happening? Is there... Can we... No one even clicked the... Oh. No one clicked the button. What? Wait, what? What is this? I don't get it. Run. Where's the button? Did it go? Why is it flying pencils? What is that? What is happening? What? Oh. I'm literally in between them. No, we're fine. Come on. Is it gone? Can you at least let me do it? Thank you. Yes. No, I need to press it. What's this? Oh! How did we just die? That's sad. Hold on. Okay. We're flying. Oof. Remember not to touch it. Okay. I'll go to the tree then. I don't want to get up. How about... Oh. Yes, I did it. I got caught with the hanger. What are we supposed to do? My pants got caught in a hanger. Okay, that was weird. But, okay. Whose house is this? Oh, decent house. I need found money. Okay. Let me go inside this one. No money here. Okay, so I think I get it. So the thing is you need free money. Because it said... What is this? Maybe this is a trick. So I'm just gonna get out and not fall for it. Okay. He's still inside the house. He's gonna die, I'm sure. Cause that... he fell out of the world. Oh my gosh, jeez. Oh my, what was that? Okay, so... I don't want to fall for this. Secure, contain, protect, SCP. FBI, open up, I'm kidding. Come on. Okay, I'll go in. I think this guy is kind of me too. Yeah, he is. Bye. There's so many, like, things. Okay. I'm just checking the time. So, yeah. Come on, can I press it? That'd be nice if I could. I have 80 coins. This button is so weird. Can this stop? Because I am bored. What are these things? Do I collect them or something? Are these pencils? Because I have absolutely no clue what's happening. Wait, hold on. I think I know what this is. Open up. Open up. Oh, I died. Oh, no. Yeah, that's sad. Oh. Can we? Good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna read. Oh my, jeez. Oh jeez. I'm the only one who survived on that thing. Everyone died. Okay. So, what is this? Oh my gosh. Ah! No! Whoever was on top of that was lucky. Okay, can we... Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, run. Ah, I don't want to get hit. Oh, it's done. I don't trust this thing, but anyway. Come on. Why is this taking so long? Okay, let me check. Alright. Oh, get in, everybody, get in. I have 130 coins. Close. Hello? Don't leave me out. There's no point. I need to hold this. What? We're stuck in here. What? Okay guys, I think I'm going to end this video right here. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe button. And I'm going to see y'all amazing gamers